Ever wish your business ran smoother, your team was crystal clear on direction, and decisions didn't always fall on your shoulders? That's what EOS, the Entrepreneurial Operating System, is built to solve. I'm Jacqueline Jensen, professional EOS implementer, working with Georgia business owners in trades, hospitality, professional services, retail, and family businesses. Today, I'll cut through the noise and break down exactly what EOS is and how its 6 key components help you run a healthier, more profitable company. EOS isn't a tech platform. It's a people operating system. A way to organize, lead, and grow your business using proven principles and simple tools. EOS has helped more than 300,000 companies worldwide get 3 things: clarity on their vision, traction to execute that vision, and build a healthy leadership team. This isn't theory, it's a framework built for real-world leaders facing real challenges. EOS works for growing businesses in nearly any industry, including construction, trades, medical practices, agencies, logistics, and family-owned shops in Atlanta and North Georgia. If you run a team, have between 10 and 250 employees, and want more control, more profit, or time, EOS meets you right where you are. Business owners across the state use EOS to move from chaos to clarity, from reactive to proactive, and from owner-dependent to team-driven. Now let's dig into the heart of EOS, the 6 key components. Strengthen each of these areas and every problem gets easier. These components are vision, people, data, issues, process, and traction. Each one addresses all fundamental parts of running a business. When all 6 are strong, your company runs like a machine. When 1 or more is weak, everything feels harder than it should. Component 1, vision. Vision is getting everyone on the same page. Where are we going? Why? How will we get there? EOS uses a Vision Traction Organizer, or VTO for short, to answer 8 questions. These questions define your core values, focus, long-term target, marketing strategy, and the step-by-step plan to achieve them. Shared by all means that vision isn't stuck in the owner's head. It's clear across all departments and levels, from sales to ops to finance. When everyone knows the destination and the route, decisions get easier, confusion drops, and alignment improves. Vision gives your team the context they need to act independently and confidently. Component 2, people. Right seats. That's the key. The people component makes sure you have great folks, each doing what they're best at and aligned with your values. The accountability chart goes beyond org charts. It clarifies who owns results for every major role. This isn't about titles or hierarchy, it's about accountability and outcomes. The People Analyzer is how you hire, evaluate, and keep culture strong. GWC means get it, want it, and capacity to do it. They need all 3 to succeed. If someone doesn't get it, they don't understand the role. If they don't want it, they lack passion or fit. If they don't have capacity, they lack time, skill, or bandwidth. When you have the right people in the right seat, productivity soars, drama drops, and everyone feels energized. Component 3 is data. Forget gut feelings. EOS uses simple numbers, your scorecard, and measurables to track what matters every week. A handful of weekly metrics let you spot issues before they become fires. The data is predictable and transparent. Every owner, every leader owns 1 or 2 numbers. Think first call response time, customer NPS, or weekly leads. These aren't lagging indicators like monthly revenue. These are leading indicators that tell you if you are on track before the month ends. With good data, you make faster, smarter decisions. You stop guessing and start knowing. Teams stay focused because everyone can see the score in real time. Component 4, issues. Every business has problems. EOS uses the issues list and IDS, which stands for Identify, Discuss, Solve, to surface and solve what's stalling growth. Weekly, you capture every obstacle or opportunity. IDS means no problem is swept under the rug. Instead, root causes get solved so they don't come back. Trades teams not hitting deadlines, retail inventory dips, client retention dropping. Real issues get addressed fast. The issues component turns firefighting into problem solving instead of the same issues popping up quarter after quarter. You solve them once and move on. This builds momentum and confidence across the team. Component 5, process. Consistent service, fewer mistakes, less chaos. EOS helps you document, simplify, and ensure everyone follows your most important processes. Identify your core business processes, how you sell, onboard, hire, bill, and serve clients. Document the minimum viable steps, then train the team. Athens or Gainesville, everyone works the same. When processes are clear and followed, quality improves, training gets faster, and customers get the same experience every time. Process is what allows you to scale without losing control. It's what makes your business run without micromanaging every detail. And component 6, traction. Vision is great, but execution matters. Traction means discipline, focus, and accountability. Quarter after quarter, set 3 to 7 company rocks, which are your big goals or business priorities for the next 90 days. Track them weekly, own them, finish them. The Level 10 meeting is your weekly rhythm. Scorecard review, rock check-in, solve issues, keep momentum. These meetings are 90 minutes, highly structured, and highly productive. Most teams rate them an 8 or higher within weeks. Traction is what turns plans into results. It's what separates companies that talk about growth from companies that actually grow. How the components work together. Here's the secret. EOS isn't magic, it's muscles. Get better at vision, people, data, issues, process, and traction, and your company runs itself, not just on your grid. Clear vision aligns your team and simplifies daily decisions. The right people build trust and free you up. Metrics keep everyone focused. Issues get solved, processes improve, and progress compounds every quarter. Georgia business owners see less firefighting, more confident leaders, and scaling without spinning out. The 6 key components work together like gears in a machine. When all 6 are strong, the business runs smoothly. When one is weak, everything slows down. In North Georgia, one construction company used EOS to standardize bidding and project management. They cut rework by 40% in a year. A family medical practice in Atlanta improved staff retention and hit their profit targets for the first time since 2020. Teams now meeting weekly, not just monthly, tracking what matters on the scorecard instead of a spreadsheet mess. EOS isn't just for big tech or manufacturing. Boutique agencies, HVAC companies, and dentist offices use it locally with results that show up on the bottom line and in team energy. These aren't fairy tales. These are real Georgia companies solving real problems with a simple, proven system. How is EOS implemented? Most EOS journeys start with a free 90-minute meeting, an in-depth look at where your business stands and what's possible. Next is Focus Day, a 7-hour session where you build your accountability chart, scorecard, and Level 10 meeting. Then 2 vision building days, each spaced 30 to 45 days apart, where you clarify vision and set new rocks and create real accountability. Quarterly meetings refocus and reset, building muscle in each key component. You can self-implement using EOS books and free tools, or bring in an EOS implementer to coach, facilitate, and keep you on track. No contracts, just session-by-session value. EOS brings clarity, structure, and results. Imagine your team rowing in the same direction, issues solved every week, and growth that doesn't depend on 24/7 owner hustle. If that sounds good and you're ready to stop putting out fires, book a 90-minute meeting with me or get started with free EOS resources at EOS Worldwide. I'm Jacqueline Jensen. I help Georgia entrepreneurs run better companies so they can live better lives. Thanks for watching.